Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. GAAP includes accounting standards, provisions of law, and guidelines issued by regulators. These principles enable standardization in recording and reporting of information so that the users, once they are aware of the principles, can read and understand the financial statements prepared by diverse organizations. Generally accepted accounting principles incorporate the consensus at a particular time as to which economic resources and obligations should be recorded as assets and liabilities by financial accounting, which changes in assets and liabilities should be recorded, when these changes are to be recorded, how the assets and liabilities and changes in them should be measured, what information should be disclosed, and which financial statement should be prepared. Statement number 4 of Accounting Principles Board, USA, on Basic Concepts and Accounting Principles underlying financial statements of business enterprises. Accounting standards are concepts, policies, and practices as notified by accounting bodies. It has been dealt with in detail in another video. To standardize the accounting information, every organization would have to establish certain accounting policies based on GAAP. GAAP is a combination of authoritative standards set by policy boards and the accepted ways of doing accounting. These differ from country to country, depending upon the accounting principles and standards adopted in that country. Let's see a list of professional bodies determining the GAAP in select countries. Country: Standard Setting Board, Institute. USA: Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, AICPA. Canada: Canadian Accounting Standards Board, CASB. Canada Institute of Chartered Accountants, CICA. India: Accounting Standards Board, ASB. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. Australia: Australian Accounting Standards Board, AASB. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of Australia, ICAA. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.